Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Scorpio. Check mo yung natal chart mo. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And yeah, this is for the sign of Scorpio. Paki-follow na lang din ako sa TikTok guys. Doon ako mag-a-announce pag open na ako sa personal reading. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi po ako open. Okay? This is for the sign of Scorpio. Let's start your reading, Scorpio. Nakita nga pala ako nung... It's like a seaman or captain of the ship, pirate, ganyan. Nakita rin ako ng... Anong tawag dito? Mimes. Alam mo yan, yung mimes ba tawag? Yung nag-action tapos maputi lang yung mukha niya, hindi siya nagsasalita. It's like an artist kind of thing. Anyway, this could be a reading. Pwedeng nanood ka ng ganun before watching sa akin. Yan. Seven of Arrows. You do have a lot of insecurities. I see this as you. Marami ka nakikitang hindi maganda sa sarili mo. You don't want this, you don't want that. Pero with the Two of Stones, it's like challenge para sa'yo ito eh. Some of you, challenge for you is paano tanggapin yung mga sinasabi sa'yo. And with the Guardian, some of you, how to guard yourself, how to not let other people hurt you. Diba? You do have the Five of Vessels. I feel like you are having fun. Diba? Masaya ka sa nangyayari sa'yo, sa kung ginagawa mo. Three of Stones is here. I feel like some of you naiipit ka sa isang sitwasyon. Pero parang, or maybe you want to show yourself, pero parang nahihiya ka or hindi mo alam kung paano. You want to end something. The Forest Lovers is here. Or maybe another, or someone is like parang gusto niyang i-end ito. Kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, then someone wants to, mag-end or matapos yung relationship na yon. But there's a lot of love, a lot of commitment dito. Parang it will be hard for this person na matupad or mangyari yung gusto niya, which is the ending. Kasi masyadong, may nagagalit sa relationship or sa connection mo with someone. And at the same time, nalulungkot, nasasaktan. Nakikita natin yung pag-i-struggle mo na para patunayan na kaya mo. For the sign of Scorpio, please. Messages pagdating sa love. This would like to come out. The pole star. Seven of Vessels and Ten of Stones. Someone in the past or maybe sa iyong home place, kung kung saan ka lumaki, or maybe this is a different a different place, or maybe someone in the past is nasasaktan pa rin hanggang ngayon sa'yo because this person still sees you as the star. Pangarap ka nitong taon to eh, gusto ka pa rin niya eh. Kailangan focus mo kasi yung mga, yung mga araw-araw mo ginagawa, priorities mo is to have this pag-evolve or paglabas ng iyong skills, knowledge, etc. The Three of Vessels is here, so this is showing as a Three of Cups. So, parang this is a reunion. Gustong bumalik nitong person na ito sa buhay mo. Pero concentrated ka sa ibang bagay. Challenges for Scorpio. Ano yung mga challenges sa Scorpio? Some of you, yung challenge has something to do with new beginning. Kung ano man yung mga sinisimulan mo. The Queen of Stones is here. Maybe kung ano man yung iba challenge for you is how to accept itong mga insecurities mo. Paano tatanggapin itong mga ito. And you do have here the Moon and Water. So some of you, the challenge is yung emotion mo. Paano maging hindi masyadong emotional. Alam mo yun. Or minsan kasi ang nagdidesisyon para sa'yo is yung puso mo, hindi ang utak mo. So, paano mangyari yun? So, yung challenges sa'yo. The Ten of Bows is here. So, some of you, ang challenge for you is yung mga responsibilidad mo. Pero actually, madali lang para sa'yo itong mga to eh. Pero syempre, of course, yun sa araw-araw mo ginagawa na, challenging pa rin. No? And you do have here the Three of Bows. So, some of you, ang challenge for you is how to guide other people. No, paano sila i-guide, how to make them believe of your belief. No, yung iba sa inyo maraming ang gains sa paniniwala mo. Pero challenge ay yung kung paano sila paniniwalain sa mga bagay na pinapaniwalaan mo. And I feel like you're talking to people na sarado ang utak. So, hindi mo naman kailangan patunayan na sa kanila. Hayaan mo, iwan mo, layuan mo. Diba? Tell me more in the future for Scorpio. In the future for Scorpio. You do have here the Five of Vessels, Eight of Arrows, and the Great Bear, Queen of Bows. Nakakamoy ako ng ketchup or tomato. This could be a reading. Four of Bows. You have to notice your dreams. May mga sinasabi ang mga panaginip mo ngayon. So, pansinin mo sila. Some of you, kung may mga panaginip ka na hindi maganda, pagkagulat, or takot, it's like you need to prepare or you need to let go of something na nagpapahirap sa'yo. May bagong door or bagong opportunity ang nakikita natin para sa'yo. And some of you, it's like an invitation of something. In the near future, someone is going to invite you or may mag-aaya sa'yo ng something and kailangan mong sumama or kailangan mong pumunta para maranasan mo maging masaya. But for some of you, it's like a trap. Tell me about this. Yeah, the Three of Swords is here. So, there's a lot of pain, a lot of sakit. So, if you feel like hindi ka dapat pumunta or hindi ka dapat sumama sa something kasi baka masaktan ka lang, huwag mong gawin. Pero yung iba sa inyo, there's like something na I can see a lot of luha, a lot of pag-iyak. And the Three of Vessels is here. Some of you, this is masaya. So ikaw na ang bahala makiramdam kung anong dapat mong gawin dito sa bagay na ito. Because, unfortunately, hindi ko masabi sa'yo directly ang anong dapat mong gawin. Kasi some of you, magiging maganda ang resulta pag pumunta ka, sumama ka, or inaccept mo. Eh, yung iba naman sa inyo, hindi maganda ang resulta. Pwedeng maiyak or masaktan. But either way, of course, you would learn something. May matututunan ka sa kung ano man ito. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.